Welcome to LeonCo and welcome to your weekly financial news. Welcome to LeonCo and welcome to your weekly financial news. And on this week's financial news, we'll be discussing the start of earnings season. Yes, we are just hit half point of the year and we're hitting half point of July. And this typically means that we are starting to enroll into earnings seasons, and this is one of the most important times in the year, specifically now when we are facing such global uncertainty in the economy and in the stock market. Even though we are seeing that the stock market has been skyrocketing up and has been acting like everything is fine, everything is a-okay, earnings season is crucial for the future of the stock market and for the future of many companies. One of the main things that we need to keep in mind is that this earnings season may not reflect the reality of lots of companies and may not be very reflective on what is going to happen with the stock market. Most investors are bypassing these earnings seasons and they are looking forward directly into 2021. Not necessarily what is happening with 2020, but this is a key alert to what could happen in the stock market. Why? Because we already had a past earnings season that was negative, that was in decline. If we have a second earnings season that continues this trend, that continues with decline, with losses of earnings instead of having gains, this could be alarming, or this could be a red flag to what could happen in the stock market in the future. We are in this sort of limbo with the government that they are discussing if they want to continue giving stimulus until July 20th. We will know exactly what will happen, or then we will have to wait until August to see what finally the government decides to do. But this earnings season is going to be crucial. Companies are forecasting some kind of earnings or some kind of loss, and this could be hitting the mark that they could have those expectations, or they can underperform those expectations greatly. Because the reality is that we don't know exactly how much the consumer is consuming in services and products in reality without that stimulus that we are receiving week by week thanks to the government. So after July 31st, when this stimulus ends and people are hitting their economic realities without any stimulus, without any help, that is going to be the key mark. So not necessarily this earnings season is going to be that tipping point for the economy, but our next earnings season, because that is the one that is going to reflect all the reality that is happening in the economy and in the stock market, because maybe, just maybe, we can be facing that earnings season without any stimulus, without any help from the government, and with employment numbers skyrocketing, people losing their jobs, maybe even losing their homes. We do not necessarily know what is going to happen, but this next earnings season, the next one, not this one, is going to be crucial for the future of the stock market. Most economists, most financial analysts believe that we are going to skyrocket back to 2021, and this is just going to be one big rally that we are going to see, but we don't know. The reality is this is just speculation. It all depends on what happens in the economy in real life, not speculation. So, this has been your weekly financial news. Stay safe, stay healthy, and always remember to have that king mentality.